Over here, you can see that I have a note right here and I have the TutorTube logo, which is in an image format on this particular note. So with Google Keep, what you can also do is you can grab out text that may be there in an image. For example, TutorTube is an image format right here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and grab out the image text. So to do that, I'm going to click on the More button right here, and then you can see Grab Image Text is an option. And once you click on this, you can see that it like takes this image text as a reference, and TutorTube text is written right here, as you can see, just like this. So another thing that you can do is you can go around over here. Let me just go around and create a new note, and I'm going to go around over here onto More and add in the drawing right here. So what I'm going to do is, let's see, I'm going to say keep on learning right here. So I'm just going to go around and say keep on learning right here. So I just have this. All right. So now once this is done, let me just go around on back right here, and you can see keep on learning images here. So I can go around and click on the More option right here, and then you can see that I can grab the image text from over here as well. It says it cannot recognize it. So sometimes this happens, but if you were to go around and see again, you can see grab image text is an option, and now the image text is grabbed and keep on learning is here. So the handwriting that I have right here is something I drawn from mouse and does not look that good, but you can see it still detected it and it typed out whatever was there on the image text right here. So that is how you can grab out image text within Google Keep. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.